Hello everyone, this is video introduce key features of YASHINE Cordless Pressure Washer, 650 psi, 6-in-1 nozzle, electric pressure washer gun, 48 volt, 2.0 amp hour battery. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Overview or important features are include. The cordless pressure washer gun is equipped with a 48 volt, 2.0 amp hour super capacity battery. You can use the electric pressure washer gun for at least 40 minutes. Easy to store and carry. Cordless pressure washer has 6 settings of 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, soap mode, and rinse mode, which can be changed freely according to different nozzle scenarios. It is also equipped with a cleaning pot, which can easily make foam by adding detergent. Electric pressure washer gun has a strong washing capacity of 650 psi, which can easily dispose the stains of cars, walls, corners, floors, and swimming pools, and gently water garden plants. The cordless pressure washer uses 4 fingers instead of 1 finger to start the washer, so that it will not feel tired during use. When installing a 6-in-1 nozzle, you need to press down to fix it better. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.